your devotion is safe. Every day, when you take the air in and out of your body, thinking about the Lord, is higher than any mountain, any being has ever walked upon. That's enough. It is that simple. It is not what you think.
Even just thinking about the Lord, like without being in the 8th chakra, will get you there.
Yes. It's not recommended.
Yeah, I don't think so either.
By me?
I've tried, like thinking about the Lord all the time, but it doesn't really.
You need to be aware of your path. When I say aware, present through whatever you're going through. And just go through it. Whatever it is. 8th chakra. Focusing above your head offers you that experience. The only experience. There's not an experience of experiencing the truth, but experiencing it. Experiencing it. There's no variations to it. You just have to go through it. Whatever it is. While you're like going through it. That means that there is like a tool, a passageway that allows for that to happen. Like it's happening now. You're being present. We're taking moments away from this time to the next moment, to the next moment, to the next moment, to the next moment. And we're taking away ego's violence. While we're being present right now. We literally like replacing ego's absurdity with the presence of God within ourselves at the moment's will. Who would say no? Well, it looks like it. Everyone is saying no. Almost everyone. So let's go along with this and find the ones. Let's say, yes, I will be present with you now. And see what comes next. forgive and be gentle.